What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as promised, we're actually going to take a look under the S209 and see the differences of the upgrades that they made just for the S209 versus the regular STI. So we're going to throw it up in the air and get up under it and go over it. Alright guys, looks like it has the STI pinks with the Bellstein shocks. It has these draw dampeners which really work good. It's also cool how it's been marked. It's been inspected 3 different times. Moving on to the back, you do see it has STI on there. Looks like they've upgraded this cradle. And then it's got STI on there too. And the exhaust looks pretty much the same. I think it actually, when we take it off, it might be titanium because the other OEM ones don't burn like that. And then there's a close-up look. And like I said, it's got the STI etched in. Alright guys, and while it's up on the lift, we actually decided to throw this Invidia N1 cat back on it. I mean, might as well. Gotta get the Subaru rumble. Alright guys, and if you have this handy tool, it makes it real easy. If not, you just WD it up in a pry bar and kind of work it out, and I'll show you the little rubber grommets that you have to get it out of. Alright, this is the stock exhaust out of the car. Once again, I don't know, it might be stainless or it just might be... What? Oh no, it ain't that big of a deal. But it's kind of bluing like it's titanium. So, I don't know, I'm going to have to do some more research and actually see if it is, or is it just where it's running more boost out of it. But like I said guys, just any 2015 and up, it has a little rubber grommet there, and if you ain't got that tool, just WD-40 in the pry bar, that will get it. And remember, lubrication is your friend. But look at that STI. Like I said, it's got STI there too. But we're going to get the new exhaust up and go from there. Adam's going to snug up the 2 bolts up there. Let us know, guys, in the comments what you think about the Invidia one on the S209, N1 on the S209. Invidia.
10,000 subs.
10,000. Oh, okay. He says it. How many subs?
For Tommy's channel?
Yeah. 10,000. Okay. Y'all better go subscribe to Adam's channel. You'll see an R400 on here first. All right, guys, we got it buttoned up. And then we did run the Grim Speed adapter. Too far. And we did run the Grim Speed adapter in there. But looks solid. Now it's time to hear it rumble. Alright guys, we're going to fire it up and then we'll kind of give you like a before and after deal. So here we go. Now it sounds like a proper Subaru. And Adam's got the Subaru smile now.
What's that?
I was like, Adam's got the Subaru smile now.
Yeah, just need that downpipe on there.
Oh, he just let it go too, guys. We will be throwing a downpipe on it too. He's already got it here. He's just going to try to get like 4,000, 5,000 miles on it, make sure there's no Subaru issues, and then go from there. But we're going to take it out, run it down the road, get you some noises, and then go from there. And if you guys have any questions, just drop a comment below. Like I said, this is kind of just a walkthrough and installing the exhaust on the S209 and kind of just touching underneath it and showing you guys like what's up. But we're going to go for a little spin in it and see how that sounds. that was a walk around underneath the S209, kind of pointing some things out that they upgraded, and the Invidia N1 street exhaust. Guys, go give Adam a subscribe, check out his page, and we will catch you in the next episode. Peace.